Have you been online searching for beauty counter products but haven't had any luck? Well, I have a solution for you. My name is Jentry Kelley, owner of Jentry Kelley Cosmetics. When I founded this brand 13 years ago, I had the same things in mind. My brand philosophy is simple, clean beauty that is paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and most of my skincare is made with plant-based ingredients. If you have extremely sensitive skin like I do, and you have certain ingredients that you're looking to avoid, you can use the search tab on my website, type in the name of the ingredient, and if there are any matches in any product, that will pop right up. I've had many people who did use the brand come in and see me inside of the store because they were looking for something to replace the products that they know and love. If you live in Texas, Louisiana, Iowa, or Alabama, we have physical retail locations in those states. But online shopping has never been easier. We have a team of artists that can help you with the text feature or an email feature find the colors that are best for you, and we can send samples along with your order. And for a direct price comparison, we're a little bit more affordable on each product. If you're interested in making the switch, reach out, we can help.